Hi students, today I am going to solve the integration of x sin inverse x dx. Okay, so now let's solve it, students. Let I is equal to x sin inverse x dx. Now using Euler rule, assume sin inverse x as a first function, that means fx, and x as a second function, that means gx. Now using by parts rule, we can write it I is equal to fx, that means sin inverse x, into integral of gx, that means x dx, minus integral of the derivative of fx, and here fx is sin inverse x, into integral of x dx and whole dx equal to sin inverse x, and we know that the integral of x is equal to x square by 2 using power rule, students, minus here integration of, and we know that the derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and here will be x square by 2 dx. Now we can write it x square sin inverse x upon 2, and here will be taking 1 by 2 outside from the integral, and then it will become 1 by 2 into integration of x square upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Now students, integrating easily in this term, we have to add and subtract in numerator by 1, and we know that, students, why are we selecting 1 for adding and subtracting here? So we know that if here 1, then we have to add and subtract by 1 here. If here 2, then we have to add and subtract by 2 here. So here is 1, so we have to add and subtract in numerator by 1. Then it will become, students, x square sin inverse x upon 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of x square minus 1 plus 1 under root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now here x square sin inverse x upon 1 by 2, here taking common minus 1 from x square and this one, here will be minus 1 minus x square and plus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx. Okay, equal to x square sin inverse x upon 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square upon under root 1 minus x square dx, and minus into plus minus 1 by 2 integration of dx upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay. Now students, here will be x square sin inverse x upon 2 plus when we divide 1 minus x square by under root 1 minus x square, it will become here students under root 1 minus x square dx, and minus here 1 by 2 into integration of dx upon under root 1 minus x square. Now students, x square sin inverse x upon 2 plus 1 by 2 into we know that students the integral of a square under root a square minus x square dx we have already discussed in our previous class. So here will be x by 2, that means x by 2 into under root 1 minus x square plus a square by 2. A square by 2, here a is equal to 1, that means 1 square by 2, that means 1 by 2. Sin inverse x by a, that means x, and here a is 1, that means x upon 1 is equal to x, that means sin inverse x, okay, minus 1 by 2, and we know that the integral of 1 upon under root 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x plus c, constant of integration. Now is equal to x square sin inverse x upon 2 plus xy4 under root 1 minus x square plus 1 by 4 sin inverse x minus sin inverse x upon 2 plus c. Okay, now is equal to x square sin inverse x upon 2 plus sin inverse x upon 4 minus sin inverse x upon 2 plus x by 4 under root 1 minus x square plus c. Now solving these three terms here, solving these three terms here and here, taking LCM 2 for 2, it will be 4. Now here will be 2x square sin inverse x plus here sin inverse x minus sin inverse x minus here 2 sin inverse x plus x by 4 into under root 1 minus x square plus c. Now 2x square sin inverse x plus sin inverse x minus 2 sin inverse x is equal to minus sin inverse x upon 4 plus x by 4 into 1 minus x square plus c is equal to here taking common sin inverse x in numerator, it will become 2x square minus 1 into sin inverse x upon 4 plus x by 4 into 1 minus x square plus c. equal to, we can write it, students, 2x square minus 1 upon 4 into sine inverse x plus xy4 into under root 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, this is the required integral of x sine inverse x dx. Okay, then now students, by the help of this solution, we can integrate easily x tan inverse x and similarly x cos inverse x. So here students, note, similarly we can integrate x tan inverse x and x cos inverse x similarly by the help of this solution. So students, watch this solution carefully and seek to solve by the help of this solution x tan inverse x and x cos inverse x. Okay, thank you so much.